Hi guys, I've received a lot of DMs about this streamer backdrop, so I wanted to come and do a quick tutorial. So, the first thing you need is this mesh plastic base, and I got mine from Home Depot. It comes in a variety of colors, but it's just like fencing for a garden, and it's about $40, no, $25 to $40 per roll. I think I paid like 26 in Home Depot, but this is what you adhere the streamers to. I've seen people use the crepe paper streamers, but because I have to transport this, that didn't seem like a good option. So what we decided to do was to use the plastic tablecloth rolls. I think they're coming like 40 by 100 feet. We got ours from Amazon for about $16 per roll, and we used that by cutting it in strips to create the fringe. Now, what I would suggest, I cut each of these by hand. If you have like a rotary cutter, that would work very well.
I want to kiss you, make feel you alive. Oh, that we both. Oh, that we both. Oh, that we both. I want to kiss you, make feel you alive. I want to kiss you, make feel you alive. I want to kiss you, make feel you. Let me die, you know, of your magic eye, and now you're my allure. Let me die, you know, of your magic eye, and now you're my allure. Let me die, you know, of your magic eye, and now you're my allure. Let me die, you know, of your magic eye. You said you want to. Oh, that we both. That we both.
Thanks for watching. Hopefully this gives you some inspiration. This is a super cool backdrop. So there are so many different names for it. Some people call it a fringe wall, a piñata backdrop, a tassel wall, a tassel balloon wall. But whatever you call it, it's super cute. It's a lot of work, a lot of man hours, but the end result is dynamic. Two more colors and we are done.
Strip, you fold it in half, you tuck the loop in the square.
Slow. So you have the loop. I can't see. All right, and then what do you do when you have the loop?
You put these two strings and loop it in the hole and then pull, and then that's how you make it.
Awesome.